These are the high-rise elevators, Park Tower in Tampa, Florida. Let's go up to 35, 34, 33, 32. 32 is the highest we can go. Let's go down to 1. Notice how the parking floors are a different color. Actually, multiple different colors. 3,500-pound capacity. These used to be Lotus. Here's your cab view. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, 31, 29. A lot of these floors are locked. Anyway, let's get another one. We got this one right here. We were on number 4, now we're on number 1. It's got a different layout of buttons. And notice how the 2 through 6 buttons actually stick out. It's the same way on the left side too. This one's a lot shakier. And what do you know, the elevator that we sent up is here. So we're gonna go to 1. Just watch the indicator close up. Now let's do cab view. Pretty nice elevators, even though this one's a little shaky. Again, here are your buttons, and here's your inspection certificate. So, there it goes. And that'll be it.